Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ganesh Pratap, consultant, interventional pulmonologist and allergy specialist. We at SPARSH Yeswanthapur have developed an amazing institute for pulmonological science. We treat all kinds of cough, starting from simple asthma, wheezing to complicated coughs like pneumonia and lung transplants. We have 10 subdivisions in pulmonology department at SPARSH Yeswanthapur. We have all kind of advanced instruments and a humble care for respiratory patients. We treat asthma with a better care by making you off inhalers, by doing allergic skin prick test and giving you immunotherapy. We have advanced surgeries for chronic smokers by doing bullectomies who are having emphysematous chest. We have advanced lung cancer support for people who are suffering from lung cancer by medical oncologists. We do sleep study for snoring disorders and give optimal treatment. We also treat pediatric respiratory cases. We also have advanced pediatric bronchoscopy suite where we can remove foreign bodies aspirated, or we can also do lung washes for severe pneumonias. We have advanced ICU care where we treat critically ill respiratory patients, and we also have ECMO, which is a most advanced machine which gives respiratory bypass for people who are in respiratory failure. So if it is cough, wheezing, chest pain, breathlessness, any of the person in the family, then SPARSH Yeswanthapur should be your first choice. Thank you.